Okay, now listen, so what we're going to do is we're going to go in, we're going to surprise Matty, if he's there, to see how he's doing with his trading and investing. I don't know whether he's there. Yes! Oh, he's all by himself, he can't escape. Matty, how you doing?
I'm good. I'm good.
You love it, you love it. Okay, how is your trading so far this month?
Not the best.
Go on.
No, it's down.
Okay, why? I mean, how much?
It's down by, I don't know, like 1.5%.
1.5%?
Yeah.
It's like, why are you embarrassed about it?
I'm not embarrassed, but you just put me on the spot.
I don't know, you've gone on red, so...
know.
Listen, first of all, are you doing Buffalo or VCA or both?
Buffalo.
You're doing Buffalo. You're not doing VCA at all? Oh, because...
Yeah.
Okay. So, let's see, you're up 19%, then you made 1.5%, and now you're down 1.5%.
Yes.
What's wrong with that?
There's nothing wrong with it. It's just, it's not consistent growth.
You don't get it.
No.
It has to be over the year, right?
Mm-hmm.
So you cannot, I repeat, you cannot avoid having losing months.
Mm-hmm.
You can't. Did you follow the rules?
Yes.
Definitely.
Always.
So the market just does what the market does, right?
Yes.
There's nothing wrong with that. Plus, you've still got, see, 26 today, you've got, trading days. You've probably got
3.
about 3 trading days. You could easily make that up. I'll do everything I can. Well, exactly. No, but okay. So this is the point. You just do what you can, and the market's going to do the rest. And if you're down 1.5% 1 month, there are people down 20% in a year. Forget about 1.5% in 1 month. It's nothing. You know. Just keep going. Good job.
Thank
All right,
you.
we're going to keep. Like, we're going to put this up because.
Perfect.
Yeah. We're not going to hide anything. This is normal. There's nothing wrong with this.
Just
People
give me
think.
a little bit of warning, I won't go so red next time.
Well, actually, I think you will, because you always go red. But anyway, thanks for that. Hello, Keith. How's your trading going?
It's going okay.
Okay.
It's going okay.
Tell us some more then.
So currently I'm up 10%.
People think this is all staged.
Currently 10% on Uber's IPO.
Oh, really? You got into Uber's IPO?
Yeah.
Well, hold on. When did you get in? Did you wait for it to fall?
I waited for it to fall.
Good man!
And I made 10% on that. So it
Yeah.
fell, had a bit of a retracement, so a bit of
Did.
recovery before falling again. So I
did.
got on the retracement level.
Yeah.
10% on that, and I'm currently up 2% on MAT. So Mattel.
Not Matt, as in.
No, not Matt. Mattel are the
Mattel,
people
toy
who-
manufacturer, yeah.
And they're looking to be bought out by Disney to make all the Disney characters as dolls.
Oh,
So
you did some fundamental research.
a little bit. So
Okay.
yeah, that's.
Now, why did you get in? Was it because of the fundamental research, or you saw the price fall?
So
Or was
the
it
price-
both?
It was both. So the price fell, so it was a cheap price to get into.
If you
and-
do both, right? If you do fundamental and technical analysis, a lot of people do technical analysis, a lot of people do fundamentals. If you do both, look what happens. So he's doing a fundamental analysis. There's rumors going around, might not be rumors, right? That Disney is going to be buying the toy manufacturer, and there's a fall in price at the same time. Wow. The two together, very, very powerful.
So
Okay.
yeah, 2% up on that.
Okay.
And then just a couple of little trades.
Okay,
around.
but what you're doing is what most people do. They give this, yeah, I made money here and I made money here. But overall on your account, how are you doing?
Overall on the accounts, I'm up, I think, 8% overall as a total portfolio.
8%.
Yeah, 8%.
8% for the what?
In an ISA. So I started my ISA 4 months ago.
Okay.
Hargreaves and Lansdowne, so it's about 8%
Ooh.
over 4 months.
So an ISA is an individual savings account for people in the UK. You can put up to 20,000 in a financial year per adult, per household. So if there's 2 of you, that's 20 plus 20, so 40. And if you've got, like a teenage child over the age of 18, I think, then that's another 20. So, and it's tax wrapped, which means you can grow this. Hold on, so 8% in 4 months.
4 months.
That's pretty
Just
good.
doing that, yeah. So that with my ISA, that's more kind of value cost averaging. So
Yes.
VCA that I'm going to do. So investments, because all you can do in ISA is buy the stock, so you can't sell short.
That's right.
And then in my spread betting account, that's where I do the Buffalo. So I do spread betting for Buffalo because once again that's tax free.
Tax free.
Yeah.
And tax-free does make a difference, and if you possibly can. We're very lucky here in the UK. Everybody complains about the UK, blah, blah, blah. But actually, in terms of tax, it's pretty tax-friendly.
No, definitely. It's a massively tax-friendly in the UK compared to places like Sweden, Belgium,
Yeah.
where it's very hard
Yes.
for you to make money.
I think Holland has the best though. Was it 1.4% or something? That's all it is. Doesn't matter how much money you make. It's just 1.4%.
Yeah,
That's pretty
so
cool.
Holland's pretty decent.
Pretty decent. Pretty decent. All right, thank you.
Thank
Good
you.
to catch you here. Fantastic.